and open the gate for Lester. Now I just done missed my opportunity with Pop over here. I guess he wasn't gonna be waiting on me, huh? Maneuvering around, right? Holding the wagon still. I just see this guy very badly. It's okay. I'm gonna get this. Good morning, guys. Brienne here on Morrow Hill, and I've got a couple of projects going, but first, got to go help my pops with something. I had to park the rig over here at Gigi's, drop the kids off. I'll come back for it after I'm done, though. Me and the kids will go do my chores, but we're removing an eyesore from the front of the property. So, is he already recording me? Guys. These chickies are all running crazy from me now. But we have to get this top off them, and we're gonna put them over in our white tote or clear tote here so that we can clean all the shavings out of this and get it replaced with new shavings. So all the chickies go in here, and we have to get another brooder ready for the 8 chicks that Steph hatched me. Let's move some chicks, guys. Are y'all flinging shavings all the way from over there into this water? That's a long way to be throwing shavings, guys. Someone told me I need to put a block under here, so y'all quit doing that. I'm gonna have to find one of those. Got one somewhere, I know I do. Here, chickies. Here, chickies. Oh, chickies, y'all come back this way. Chickies. Here, hey, settle down. There, can you go in there? There. Come on. There you go. I know. Here's chickies. Just for a minute, guys. Just for a minute. I've got my tarp and I've laid it over my wagon because my wagon has holes in it, so this would not work without my tarp, right? And then I'm gonna empty my food and stuff. Hold on real quick. Where to put my gloves? I could get a shovel, guys, or something, but it's not really necessary, is it? Because I got gloves. Punky, please. Punky, move. You better leave those chicks alone. You can sniff them. Just sniff them and check them out. Be sweet to them, okay? Oh, look at those birds. You want to sniff them? You be sweet. He doesn't know what to do. Okay, Punk, come on. Ow, got stuck. I'm just going to. I'm not going to do it like that. It's a lot heavier than what I remembered. I do not want to have to scoop all this out of here, so this is what I've been doing. And I've decided that instead of doing it the way that I should, I'll just use my strength. I'll just have to use my strength and do it the way that I had originally planned to. Ugh. All right, now we just got to do some maneuvering around, right? Holding the wagon still. I just see this going very badly. It's okay. I'm gonna get this. Whew. Don't worry. Y'all just don't worry your little head. Ugh. Please don't make a mess. Please. Just don't make a mess. Go. Go. Woo! Y'all see this? I probably worked a lot harder than I should have. Just now. But that's okay. All right. Now. Excuse me, Punt. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. I'm like extremely tired, and now we've already been having like almost 90 degree days again. So it's like, it's pretty hot out here right now. Now I'm gonna get shavings back in here and change water and food like normal, and they will be good to go. We will put this light back down. There. Do you guys want to get out? Look. Look. Whoa, whoa, why'd you go back in there? What? Hunt, move. Hunt, let me get them all out. There. Whoa, 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 whoa. Okay, sorry. We don't like the box up like that. Sorry. I'm sorry. Wasn't trying to make y'all have a freak out. Sorry. Almost all of you. Hold on. Woo! Jump! Oh! Ugh. I want to leave my wagon out here because I use it a lot. For these shavings, I'm just gonna fold them up in here and take them, dump them out of here at the dumpster. What are you telling me? What are you telling me?
When I come over there, I don't want no back talk.
Bring your cup, I'll get it. Bring your cup.
Get the brooder out of there.
If there's no smack talk, there will be no back talk. But if you're smack talking, I'm back talking.
You may have to talk a little trash to her.
Oh, I might have a rebuttal for anything you say. All right, I know how long it's going to take you to get right over there to that shop.
Put my little
So
teddy bear on my bed.
I'm going to run home and get a bottle of water, and I'll still beat you over there. So See you there. Don't take your time because it takes a lot of time. I run all the way over here and open the gate for Lester. Now I just done missed my opportunity with Pop over here. I guess he wasn't going to be waiting on me, huh?
Dad, what are you putting in business? And I'd say stuff. Dad, what's in the stuff? How much stuff? Yeah, that's where your dad is.
Uh-huh. I got to run and hop on Jake's new tractor here and go get my brooder from Pop. And my big chicks will go in here, and my new little chicks that I got from Steph can go in my stock tank brooder. Little man wanted to come with me. Woke up from his nap, saw me, and wanted to come on out. Right. You like the tractor? Not as much as his sister does. Jake and Lissa are out and about working today. It's just a productive day. Oh no, don't drive in the grass, Brian. Don't drive in the grass. You're okay. Guys, it's getting that time again that it's pretty dang hot outside. So, in the midst of me working today, I didn't finish my video because I was that ready to come in the house. But let me show y'all what I've got done. What I got done today. Of course, I got these little chickies pen all cleaned out. Y'all saw that. And I finished getting my other little brooder set up in here, and I don't have any chicks in it yet. That's why my lights aren't on. These are actually not heat lamps, but Pop says, especially with what the temperature is right now, that they should still provide enough warmth being that far down in the brooder. So this one's actually really neat. It opens up from the top. Pop built this, I guess, but you can tell it is this, you know, just the, oh God, I wish I didn't look down there. It looks like spider webs. It's just that mesh stuff on the bottom, just like what's on top of that. So I put just one layer of newspaper down to kind of hold my shavings in here and keep any little chicken legs from falling through. Just put a real thin layer of shavings on here. And then I will probably, I don't know if I'm going to move these bigger chicks up there, or if I'll just put the new little babies in here. And I'm going to have 8. The ones that Steph already had in the incubator for me. I'm going to put those in here. There's 8 of them. And I'm going to go ahead and take the 6 that she hatched for Pup Hole and just care for them until he is, you know, he has a dog bite and whatnot. So when he's feeling better, I guess he'll get his chicks. But until then, they will go in here. And that's the new brooder. Steph actually had, Caden had a track meet tonight. So I was going to get my chicks after that. But they had some sort of medical emergency with one of the coaches. So they're running late. So I will just go down in the morning and get my little baby chicks. I'm already in my house coat for the night. I don't know why I put it on because I thought it was going to be a little chilly for some reason, but it's not. But thanks for tagging along in my fun chores that I did today. I hope that you'll have a great day, and I will see you tomorrow morning. I'm sorry, were you going to blow a kiss too? Oh, there you go. Okay, say bye-bye and then blow a kiss.
Bye-bye.